And I'm going to start cooking the squid, the dried squid, in one of the smaller pans. I'm going to say that I'm going to neglect my popcorn here. Shrimp chips or prawn chips. If I do that, maybe I'll just wait. I'm going to burn that one. So here, we're going to cook it up with this. Decided to get one of this. Let's hide with the tongue. So, I think I'm going to go ahead and start cooking this. I'm cooking it outside because it's going to smell with beautiful shrimp, not shrimp, but squid. So let's see how it cooks it, because it's not enough to cook not enough heat to cook the popcorn. If I put a few there, nothing's coming up. That means not ready. It's not hot enough to do this in the smaller. I have a smaller smaller unit there at that end. This one is a bigger one. So I'm going to keep this in a Ziploc. Make sure it's still crispy tomorrow. So I'm making sure it's green. The oil is green. And that is that. Is that. And I could smell my squid. Mahal, can you turn on the lights here? How do you turn on this one? Oh, thank you. So I guess I'm gonna have another pan just for the squid that I'm cooking here. So I have one more to cook, and there's another box ready as well. Once you get a hang of it, it's easy to cook once your oil is hot. You kind of stir it together. You don't want to have anything doubled up or touch each other, because that will never cook at all. It's going to be cooked but hard. Okay? So that's how you do that. You just stir it. And I'm going to have this in here. Okay. Roll it. And, okay. This is the third bag. There's two in each one. So this is the third one. I open up a new box. Okay. It's so fun to fry. It's like popcorn. Although, on the other hand, my squid, because I have a slow burner there, is taking its sweet time to do anything. So I wonder if it's really cooking. Make sure that I'm cooking it right. Deep fried. And to fry some. That's the only way we know if it did anything to cook it. So, that is fine. Yeah, I left one in there. So you want to make sure when you're frying one of these, that they're not sticking to each other. Okay, this is squid.